The second integral of the second integral of Hajj pilgrimage is to stay in Arafah. The third integral of Hajj pilgrimage is at 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 tawaf. At tawaf, in which to circumambulate the Kaaba. The fourth integral of Hajj pilgrimage is as-sa'i, that is to traverse the area between the border makers of As-Safa and Al-Marwa 7 times. The fifth integral of Hajj pilgrimage is shaving or trimming one's hair. The sixth integral of Hajj pilgrimage is to observe the order in most of these integrals. In the previous 5 integrals that we mentioned. Well, these are the articulations under the 6 integrals of Hajj pilgrimage that I mentioned. For the first integral of pilgrimage, which is al-Ikram, that is to determine in one's heart this statement, which is, I initiate the acts of Hajj or Umrah. The intention to engage in the ritual of Hajj or Umrah. For example, to determine in one's heart, I initiate the acts of Hajj. If one wants to perform Hajj or Umrah, if one wants to perform Umrah, one is allowed to combine both in the intention. The second integral of Hajj is to stay in Arafah. To be in any part of the land of Arafah, sometime between the sun's declination westward on the day of Arafah, which is the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, until dawn of Eid day, which is the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. The third integral of Hajj is at-tawaf, that is to circumambulate the Kaaba. The third integral is at-tawaf, that is to circumambulate the Kaaba 7 times. Its time starts after midnight of the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. The fourth integral of Hajj is to traverse the area between the border markers of As-Safa and Al-Marwa 7 times. To traverse the area between the border markers of Mount As-Safa and Mount Al-Marwa, starting at As-Safa and ending at Al-Marwa 7 times. Sa'i is performed after the major obligatory Tawaf al-Ifada. Tawaful Ifada, or the arrival Tawaf. The border markers of Mount Safa and Mount Marwa were physical markers identifying where one must reach For his sa'i to be valid, they have been destroyed in this era and other signs have replaced them. The fifth integral of Hajj is shaving or trimming one's hair. The fifth integral of Hajj is shaving, removing the hair down to the root with a shaver or trimming one's hair. Trimming three or more hairs without going as far as the root. Its time starts after midnight of the day of Eid. The sixth integral is to observe the order in most of these integrals. Hence, it is obligatory to produce the intention of Ikram before all the other integrals and to delay one's tawaf and shaving or trimming until after one's stay in Arafah. These are the five integrals yet. The five integrals yet. I have six integral further. But yeah, all in all, the sixth integral is to observe the order in most of the other five integrals mentioned. These integrals are the same integrals of Umrah with the exception of staying in Arafah, which is mentioned in the second integral of Hajj pilgrimage. It is the exception among the same integrals under Umrah pilgrimage. Consequently, it is known that the integrals of Umrah are five: Ihram, Tawaf, Sa'i, shaving or trimming, and observing the order. Exception only is the second integral from Hajj pilgrimage, which is staying in Arafah.